What's up, you guys? Welcome back to Young Money Investments. In today's video, yes, today's video, we are going to be talking about Tesla. We're going to be talking about some issues and some lawsuits that they are going to be having with none other than Walmart. Now, Walmart is very big. Tesla also, pretty decent sized company. But I want to talk to you guys before that, look at this setup I got going on back here. I mean, this is a little bit different than the normal office setup that I got going. I'm on the road, I'm traveling, there's some noise in the background. But you know what? One of the big things that I think is really important to mention in this video before we talk about Tesla stock falling, do I think it's a buy? Do I think it's a sell? What do I plan to do? I just want to talk about being able to trade out here on my own, not needing to have an office and still being able to work. That is probably one of the coolest things about what I get to do. And I just want to thank you guys personally for watching these videos, for being a part of the channel, for letting me film at 8:30 at night here on vacation, and that you will still watch this and want to learn from me. I appreciate that. I appreciate all the thumbs up you guys give me. If you haven't done so, love for you to hit that thumbs up button, smash that subscribe button, turn on the bell notification. Anytime I release a new video, you will get it first. And I just want to say thank you. So without further ado, let's talk about Tesla, and let's talk about these roof fires from their solar panels at Walmart locations. All today, we're going to jump into it on Young Money Investments. All right, you guys, so I want to just talk about the nitty gritty. I want to be talking about Tesla. Now, Tesla had also released some good news recently about a potential or pretty much confirmed gigafactory that's going to be going in India here fairly soon. The China gigafactory for Tesla is going along really, really well. And because of that, I think Tesla is trying to expand more into those overseas markets. It sees a lot of potential and opportunity to be investing overseas and putting in these gigafactories around the world, so that not only it speeds up production, it speeds up availability to other customers, and it puts them at a much better global brand position than it does if it's just doing it here in the United States with maybe one other gigafactory located in China. Now, with that being said, we need to talk about the bad. We need to be talking about what's going on right now. So currently there's an article on Barron's, there's several others, there's one on Market Watch, and there's another one I believe that's out right now that just came out this evening, and it says Tesla stock falls after hours, Walmart sues over solar panel system fires. So let's get into this. All right, you guys, so as you can see, some of the important details about this is basically as it says right here. It says shares of Tesla dipped in after hours trading Tuesday after Walmart sued the company for what it called gross negligence in its installation and maintenance of solar panels at several of the retailer's stores. Tesla also recently trading down 1.64% to $222.16 after closing Tuesday. And then Walmart is down 0.43% at $225. So Walmart's really not that much down. Tesla really, honestly and truly is not that far down either. If we do take a look here at the Tesla charts, yes, it looks bad on the 1 day, 1 minute chart, but I mean, we're talking like a 2 to 3% drop. That's basically a 3%, 3.4 overall from peak to trough. So really, we're not talking about a massive decline. Yes, 3.4% sucks, and you can definitely see this after hours move right here. But with that being said, it's, really not that horrible. I don't think there's any reason to panic. All right, guys, so I switched over to the article here on Market Watch, and as you can see, it just says the same thing. Walmart sues Tesla over solar panel rooftop fires. Now, what is it exactly saying? It says basically right here, it says, to state the obvious, properly designed, installed, inspected, and maintained solar systems do not spontaneously combust, and the occurrence of multiple fires involving Tesla solar systems is but one unmistakable sign of negligence by Tesla. Tesla did not immediately return a request for comment. A Walmart spokesperson said it had nothing more to add beyond the complaint. This all has come, you guys, after a change in Tesla's decision to actually start to focus a little bit more on the solar panel side of the renewable energies. Now, as you guys know, Tesla cars, the motor vehicles portion of Tesla, has been the huge money maker for Tesla. That is where they're making their money. That is really where, and if we say making their money, obviously it's not making its money yet. They are right there borderline between being profitable and not profitable, but for all intents and purposes, you guys, they're still profitable. With that being said, 2 days ago, Tesla announced that it is going to be reinvigorating and reigniting its solar panel, renewable energy, electricity like system. All right, so as you can see here on this article from the Los Angeles Times, it does say Tesla offers no contract solar panel rentals with a catch. So as of 2 days ago, Tesla is basically reigniting and trying to reinvigorate their solar panel sales. So as it says, Tesla's latest bid to revive its founding solar division may sound familiar. The Palo Alto company is now offering panel packages with no long-term contract as a part of the relaunch announced Sunday by Chief Executive Elon Musk. These were released in tweets. So Elon was tweeting all this out basically, but there would be a $1,500 charge if the customer opts out and requests the system's removal. The rental option harks back on leasing products popularized by SolarCity, which is the company, if you did not know, that Tesla bought out several years back. I believe this was 2016. If I remember right, it might say this in the article, but it says rental option harks back to SolarCity's blah, 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 blah. The debt-burdened former rooftop king that Tesla bought for $2.6 billion in November 2016. So yes, they bought it in 2016. The leasing strategy propelled SolarCity's growth, but SolarCity borrowed heavily to support it. So for me personally, I see this as kind of an interesting play. Here Tesla is trying to reignite and reinvigorate their solar panel business, while at the same time they are now under fire, under wraps, and potentially going to be in a legal battle with Walmart. Now, one of the things I do see with this legal battle that's going on, it won't necessarily hurt Tesla's bottom line. The solar panel division of Tesla is minuscule. Yes, the lawsuit could hurt them, and especially going up against the likes of Walmart, it's going to be very scary. But there is something smart that Walmart did in this lawsuit, and that's what they did, is making it private. They're making it public. They're talking about public safety, the workers' safety. They're talking about fires, things that are hazardous, to bring to light to try and get Tesla to acquiesce and obviously settle out of court, because lawyer fees are expensive. Like I was saying, the thing that I see with this is it's not going to really hurt Tesla financially in terms of a profitability standpoint. What it really does is it tarnishes the public reputation of Tesla, especially when this comes on the back of 2 days ago. They released this whole PR. Elon's talking about how they are going to actually be putting more solar panels out. They're wanting to reignite this whole solar panel renewable energy thing. And with the Walmart now basically saying it's garbage, it's hazardous, it causes fires, it's going to put Tesla under a lot of public scrutiny. Just like any time that their cars end up having an accident, they blame it on the malfunction of the Tesla vehicle and not saying that it's actually the driver's error. People have done that all the freaking time. Now let's take a look at the charts, and I can explain to you a little bit more on what this means in terms of the Tesla stock. Am I buying? Am I selling? What is it doing for me? Well, honestly and truly, based on this chart here, we're looking at the 180-day chart on Tesla, and you really have to zoom in order to see this slight decline. Now, what I've done here is I've created a descending wedge. You can see that Tesla has continued to fail to make higher highs. This is not due to the Walmart issue. This is more due to just the stock failing to break above this SMA line and continue to create higher highs from its sell-off at earnings previously. So one of the things that does worry me is we're not seeing much of a sell-off, but it was due to have a sell-off already. We've seen, like I said, about a 3% decrease in the stock price. It's not that big. We're not really talking about a massive decline. What I'm more concerned about here is the fact that this still doesn't offer a really good buying point. Like I said, this right here, maybe down here at the 216, 215 price point would be a good buy, but we're currently sitting up here at like 222. So I still think the stock has at least room to come down about $7. If not, really buying down here at about 209, 210 really is a better opportunity before I would like to see the reversal and it starts to come up. So your question to me is, do I buy, do I sell? Do I buy, do I sell? I say you do neither. If you're currently holding Tesla shares, I say that it's one of those unfortunate things that you just need to play out. You need to write it out. It's not going to have a massive sell-off because it doesn't hurt the bottom line of Tesla. It tarnishes the public opinion of Tesla, but what it has done is it's not dropped the share price enough in order to make it a good buying opportunity. So what I plan to do right here is I do plan on waiting, being able to write it down here and picking it up for right around 210, 211, and being able to write it up hopefully being able to get it up here where we can see a nice 18% return and swing trading Tesla. So overall, that is the plan, you guys. That is really what we're going to be focused on. That's what we're going to be doing. If you have any questions about Tesla, about this recent news, comment down below. Are you an owner of Tesla shares? Are you shorting Tesla? And what are you trading this week? We did not do a trade recap video yet. I will maybe do one. We did pretty decent again. My trade score, I'd say I'd probably give myself like a B plus, but probably about a B. I didn't crush it nearly as well as I did last week, but if you want, we can do a video on that. I can always do like an Instagram live video and do a video that way, and I can always post it later to YouTube, but I can do an Instagram live video and see if you guys like that idea. If you like that idea, comment down in the comment section, and if you've not done so already, smash that thumbs up button, hit that subscribe button, hit the bell notification. That is how this channel continues to grow. I'm glad you guys have stuck around for the rest of this video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Talk to you later. Bye.